customer expectations have never been higher. We're partly to blame. We've given our customers more channels to interact with, but at the same time, the workforce is not growing in capacity.
The marketer's main challenge is how do we get the right message to the right customer in the right time? It can sometimes get tricky for our customers to find the right content that they need.
Agentforce lets us reduce that burden so we can get back to more strategic work.
At Salesforce, it's really important to see ourselves as customer zero because it gives us the opportunity to test, iterate, and improve on the agentic experience before we bring it to market.
So one of the first use cases for Agentforce was deploying it on our global websites.
Agentforce on Salesforce.com starts with a really simple prompt. What are you looking for? And as you answer, it really kicks off this two-way conversation that leads you down the path to finding exactly what you're looking for in that moment, really simply and easily.
We've deployed Agentforce on our website to interact with our prospects and customers. Our agent has had over 100,000 conversations to date. And what's fascinating is that because that agent is having a real-time conversation with the customer, we're seeing 36% more leads than we were before when we had a regular chatbot.
We know that not everyone who visits our website is ready to buy. And this is where Agentforce for lead nurturing steps in. No lead is left behind and everyone goes down the nurture journey. So what this actually means is that our sales development representatives can focus on the warmest leads while everyone else is managed by the agent. What this really entails is surfacing information to our customers and prospects based on their website behaviors as well as their known intent at their pace.
So when we started on our journey of lead nurturing, it was the first time that we were doing this with digital labor. The agent was very eager to get its goals done. At first, it was like dealing with a super keen intern. It wasn't aware of some of the business formalities, like working in business hours or following opt-in rules. So the way that we started treating the agent was much like a new employee. Not only do you have to give it a role, but you have to give it the right training and the right access to data so that it can get on with its job to do it as effective as possible.
I'm really excited with what's coming next because we're giving our agent the power of personalization. With web curation, as our customers and prospects are chatting on our website, the website will be dynamically changed in real time so that the customer doesn't even have to click away from anything. We're moving to the end of do not reply. Soon, every service or marketing message can be the start of a two-way conversation. That's a new standard for how brands engage. Responsive, helpful, and always on.
What excites me most is that marketing no longer has to be a function. It can be a unifier across the whole customer journey. Sales, customer service, marketing, all coming together. Thanks to Agentforce, repetitive and mundane tasks are being handled, which is finally making time for our team to be more creative and get back to being strategic partners to the business.